General feature of NP Pro Video Wall Controller. ISEC Command and Controls gives us real-time control to operate in command and control room and operation center, as well as other customers who want to interact the content in real time either on site or remotely to access. Simply launch the command and control interface. Let's see how it works. The command and control module. Note that the responsiveness, we can resize the display and move them around. We can also build in software KVM capability to take our keyboard mouse of interactive source. ISEC also take the snapshots. So let's try. It is important to note that this interface can be set up for secure remote access, allowing the people in multiple locations to view that what's the display on video wall and interact the content from the display. Customer can cooperate their control room as a virtual room center. They can view the interact with the source by using the same command and control virtual interface. In addition, commands and control room setup. ISEC offers supervisory dashboard which enables to aggregate multiple video wall overview of multiple operation centers and control room video walls simultaneously. Alarm linkage. Compatible with all kind of alarm services of mainstream IPC. When IPC detect an abnormality, it will trigger an alarm such as intrusion alarm, block alarm, etc. and send the alarm to corresponding IPC's mapping such window as soon as possible to facilitate the rapid action to mitigate unexpected accidents. So we can go to the control window page and there is the alarm info. Electronic map. Support uploading high-definition maps at IPC at the corresponding location. Double-click to directly monitor display screens and simplify the management of IPC. Easy to add, delete, move, support simultaneously playback of multiple IPC, which is more intuitive and faster to understand the situation and on the spot and respond accordingly. Here is the EMAP feature.
Multimedia storage and publishing. NP Pro supports storing image, video, audio, word in the server. Built-in storage, it can call anytime, anywhere, just like an input source. So if there is no input source in the device in the NP Pro system, the system can still play the various sources. Since there are many multimedia formats supported for storage, it is easier and faster to publish information. So we can go to the resource feature.
Support variety of protocols. NP Pro support access to various protocols, so it greatly improve the compatibility of input source. Support RDSP, OnWave, RTP, RTMP and other protocols. And it support desktop screen capture and desktop wireless sharing, perfectly transmit video and audio and improve the viewing effect. Now let's move the quick overview about general features such as loop setting, save scenes, all scenes, splice scene, create windows and others. We will show you other features in later video. Book a live demo now in your time zone. Thank you for your time.